this Malaysia vlog, we travel from Johor Bahru to the amazing city of Kluang. We'll share some of the best attractions, including the Kluang murals, and sample some of the best Kluang food. Did we also stumble upon the best Ramly burger in Malaysia? Keep watching to find out.
We're on the train at Johor Bahru and we're making our way to Kluang. So it should be about a 2-hour ride. Our tickets for 14 ringgit each. It's really affordable. And so far so good.
So we've made it to Kluang.
The trip took us a bit over 2 hours. The train was maybe 20 minutes late, so not too bad. It's quite a comfortable ride, lots of beautiful countryside to enjoy on the way, and yeah, a really nice trip.
We've made our way to the restaurant Bawah Kalong. It's a whole smorgasbord of amazing looking Malaysian food, so I feel we've hit the jackpot here. Let's check it out.
Okay, what are we choosing?
So we're going to get a tilapia fish.
That looks nicely fried.
Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, I mean, matami.
What do you have on the plate there?
Oh, so this is tilapia fish, we've got some rice, and this is soybeans, tempeh. So a little bit spicy, so that should be good. And we're going to get some veggies. What veggies did you want, Jane?
I wanted the green one.
Jane wants the green veggies.
Yeah, that one. I want that.
And you also wanted this green one, didn't you?
Okra.
Okra.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got our meal. So this looks really nice. And we were chatting to the owner, and she's second generation in this restaurant, and her mum started the restaurant and she's carried on the tradition. And the business has been going for 17 years. That's pretty cool. So, and she's very lovely too. So all this was only 11 ringgit, which I think is really reasonable.
And that includes the drink.
Yeah, including the drink. Oh, so the drink that we have today is called a Sunquick. So I believe it's an orange, it's like an orange cordial drink. Yeah, so that's quite nice and refreshing, and decent size too. So I'm going to open this up. So I was watching a lot of the other diners, and I think what's normal or traditional in Malaysia is just to eat with your hands. So old habits die hard, so I'm going to use the fork in this instance. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's really good. The fish, the tilapia has a really nice clean taste. Doesn't taste overly fishy. Yeah, oh, really good. And I want to try some of these soybeans. They look very intriguing. Yeah, it's good. So it's quite sweet. Yeah, there's not much spiciness to it at all. But
What's the texture like?
it's quite chewy. It's not that crunchy. So it's sweet, chewy. Yeah, a nice addition to the meal. So these veggies are Jay's pick. It sort of looks a little bit like spinach. I don't know exactly what it is. Looks good and healthy. So it tastes a bit like spinach.
Morning glory or something?
And yeah, morning glory, or it could be it's like silver beet. So yeah, it's sort of like a spinach, and that's quite nice. And then finally we have what looks like okra. Okay, this one's got quite a strong taste to it, quite salty, bit of a bitter taste to it. It tastes a little bit fishy in a way. But this is quite a strong taste. Probably not my favourite, a bit of an acquired taste, but it tastes very healthy.
This seems like a really popular restaurant as well, hey?
Oh yeah, just as we were setting up to film, this big family of about 10 people just walked in, and got busy very quickly. So it's about 11 o'clock in the morning now, and yeah, it's already doing a really good trade.
The Kluang food scene is famous throughout Malaysia and Singapore. One of the must-try street stalls is Fendi Burger. They are known to have some of the best Ramly burgers in Malaysia, and we had to try it out for ourselves.
Tonight we're having street food in Kluang, Malaysia. So we've gone to Fendi Burger, which is a really popular burger stand. And we've got the double mix special. So we've got one beef patty, one chicken patty here, and that was 7 ringgit. So this burger stand's been around since 1985, so they know what they're doing. You can see a reflection of so many different cultures in Malaysian cuisine, and Western is another example. So you will find burgers as well as pizzas in Malaysia. We're on a bit of a quest to try burgers all around the world. So I'm really looking forward to trying a Malaysian burger. Now, Fendi Burger has been highly recommended, so let's see how it goes. This looks really delicious, so I'm looking forward to giving it a try. So I didn't realise, in addition to a meat patty, a chicken patty, you've also got a fried egg as well. So there's a lot of protein packed into this burger. And what I like about it is the spicy sauce on top of it. So yeah, it's really yum. And then you've got some lettuce and some onion in there, thrown in for good measure. So a really good burger. In terms of value, I give this 5 buckets out of 5. So at 7 ringgit, you get a beef patty, you get a chicken patty, you get an egg as well. So that's amazing value. In terms of taste, I really like it. I give it a 4 buckets out of 5 as well. I like the spiciness in particular. So overall, it's a solid 4.5 buckets out of 5.
We found so many great food venues in Kluang, including the famous Kluang Rail Coffee and the cool new hawker centre Nagapot Cabin. We also tried our first chendol in Malaysia in Kluang. We've dedicated a whole video to our Kluang food tour, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out.
Two things that Kluang is known for is its street art and its coffee, and this mural here represents both perfectly. We noticed that there are a lot of murals that are related to bats in Kluang, and there's good reason for that because Kluang means fruit bat in Malay.
We're at the Kluang Coffee Powder Factory in Kluang Johor, Malaysia. Now you might notice on the logo there's a TV. The owner of this coffee factory actually was the first one in town to have a TV. So that history has followed through to the logo. The Kluang Coffee Powder Factory has been here in Kluang Johor since 1966, and you can come here to look around the coffee factory and also sample some of their delicious coffee, as well as a free biscuit. Oh yeah, that's good.
In addition to sampling their famous coffee, you can also get a range of beverages and snacks on offer at the Kluang Coffee Factory. So we've gone with the waffles.
You can also do free self-guided tours of the Kluang Coffee Powder Factory, where you can see the whole process from the roasting all the way up until packaging. So it's really interesting seeing how they do everything, and it's highly recommended. So photography and filming are prohibited in the factory area, so you'll have to just come and see it for yourself. So in hotels in Malaysia, you're often not allowed to smoke and you're not allowed to bring durian. And what we find really interesting is that durian is actually a more expensive fine than smoking in your room. So if you bring durian, this hotel charges 300 ringgit as a fine, whereas if you smoke, it's only 100 ringgit. Welcome to our hotel room in Kluang. Johor, Malaysia. So this is at the Hotel Anika. We actually got upgraded because there was a weird air conditioning sound, like a broken air conditioner in our room previously. So we're in a corner room. The views here go on forever. So the town looks a little bit like a fixer-upper, but the food scene here is amazing, the street art's amazing, and yeah, we've really enjoyed being here. Now we haven't slept that well lately because yeah, we just had a few different issues. So there was the air conditioning issue in our other room, and then in this floor there seems to be a smoker on our floor and it's just wafting through, and that just keeps us up at night.
Yeah, and it's a non-smoking floor as well, so it's a little bit annoying when people do that.
Yeah, so there's supposed to be 100 ringgit fine for that, but I don't think it's being enforced and they're not really catching the people. It's a bit hard because the smoke just wafts everywhere. It's a spacious room. You've got a bathroom in here, bath and shower, which is nice. And then, yeah, it's really spacious. You've got a mini bar in there as well. And you've even got a little desk / getting ready to go out area, I guess. All in all, the hotel has been very nice. We've enjoyed the town area very much. We're in a very central location. The rooms are very spacious. They could do a bit more maintenance, I'd say, but the beds are comfortable and yeah, it's a really nice place.
Yeah, and it was around $35 per night for our original room, so that's pretty decent.
You can have breakfast at Hotel Anika, and they've got a pretty good buffet spread. They've got nasi lemak, which is very popular in Malaysia. They've got some char kway teow, a few Western style dishes. They've even got pudding and fruit and a few different cakes. So yeah, it's quite a reasonable spread.
Thanks for watching our Kluang travel vlog. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed it. In our next Malaysia vlog, we take you on a Kluang food tour, sharing the food you must try when visiting Kluang.